Welcome! Today we're diving into 3 simple yet powerful hacks to transform your website from dull to dazzling. Whether you're a web designer or a business owner, these techniques will elevate your website's look and feel, making it pop and impress your visitors. Hi there! In this guide, I'll walk you through 3 easy-to-implement website design hacks. By the end, you'll know how to add animations, gradient colors, and dynamic backgrounds to create stunning, professional-looking websites that stand out. Hack 1. Add animations to your website. Static websites can feel boring and lifeless. Adding animations is an effective way to make your site more engaging. Here's how. Using built-in animation tools, start by navigating to your website builder and selecting the image or element you want to animate. Open the Animations tab and choose a preset, such as slide in from the right or bounce. Preview your page to see the animation applied. Advanced animations with external libraries. For more customization, use tools like animate.style. Add the library's code to your website's header section, then apply animations by assigning CSS classes like animated and specific animation types, e.g. bounce in left, to your elements. Adding animations to buttons, images, or text creates an interactive experience that captures your audience's attention.
So now that we're inside of the website builder, the first hack that I want to show you is adding animations to this website. So instead of just having this website be all boring and nothing's really popping out or moving, we can easily fix that by adding animations. So for example, let's say that we want to animate this image right here. We can just click on it, and then Go High Level actually recently added this tab right here that says animations. And Go High Level will have a couple basic animations that we can choose from. So for example, if I click right here where it says right, this image is going to animate from the right, and then I can come down here, click on this image, and we can go ahead and animate this image as well, and we can do left, and there you go. And then we can click on this image, go to animations, and then click on right, and just like that, these 3 photos are going to be animated. So let's just preview this page and see what it looks like. So this is the website. If we scroll down here, as you can see here, there's image 1, image 2, and then image 3. So creating animations like this will really make your website pop. But if we take a look right here, Go High Level doesn't really have that many animations that we can choose from because this is a fairly new feature. So if you're looking for more animations, we're going to be using a third-party site. So the website that we're going to be using is called animate.style. And right when you come to this site, if you take a look over here on the right side, you're going to see a ton more animations that you can choose from. But in order to do this, we are going to want to add a little code inside of the website builder. And this is going to be extremely simple, so don't worry. If we just come down here and we go to this section right here, all you want to do is copy this right here, and don't worry, you don't have to copy this head because we're going to be adding this to the header of Go High Level. So once you have this copied, go back inside your website builder, and then over here where it says tracking code, if we click on header tracking, we're just going to want to paste in that code right here, and now we can go ahead, click on save. Now we can just choose where we want to animate, so we can just choose this image and then come back over here, and now you just want to come over here to where it says basic usage, and you just want to copy this right here where it says animate animated. Once you have that copied, go back inside of Go High Level, and since we're going to be animating this image, you just want to click on it and then come over here to advanced, and then right here where it says custom class, you just want to paste that in and then click on enter. And now there is one more custom class that we have to add here, and this is going to be the animation. So if we come back over here and we scroll all the way to the top, we can choose what animation that we want. So we can just come over here and let's just do this one right here. So we're just going to copy this animation and then go back inside of Go High Level, and now we're just going to paste that right here, click on enter, and now this image right here should receive that animation. So let's just go ahead and preview this page. And there you go. I don't know if you saw that. I'm just going to refresh this again and just take a look at this image. Once we refresh this page, this image bounced in from the left. So that's pretty much how you can animate your website.
Hack 2. Use gradient colors for a modern look. Flat colors can appear outdated. Gradient colors, however, add depth and style to your design. Follow these steps to incorporate gradients. Visit mycolorspace.com and select your base colors to create a gradient. Customize the direction and style, then generate the corresponding CSS code. Apply the gradient to your website. Copy the generated CSS code and paste it into the custom CSS section of your website editor. Use CSS classes to apply the gradient to backgrounds, buttons, or other elements. A gradient color scheme instantly makes your website look more professional and visually appealing.
So guys, the second hack that I want to show you is adding gradient colors to this website. So for example, if we just come over here and I go to my Snapshot Vault website, as you can see here, this background color is a gradient color. If this was just a regular purple color, this wouldn't look as good. But with this gradient color, this just makes the website pop even more. So if we go back over here, we can just go ahead and customize this section right here for this example. So instead of just having this blue color right here, we can go ahead and add a gradient color to this. And the way we're going to do this is by using a website called mycolor.space. And then once you're on this site, you just want to come over here to where it says gradient. And now this is where you can create a gradient color for your website. So if you have your exact hex code, you can go ahead and add that right here, or you can just go ahead and eyeball this. So that color on our website was a blue color. I'm just going to come over here and do a bluish color. And then once we're done with that, we can go ahead and choose what direction we want this to be. And once we're done choosing, we can go ahead and see what this looks like by clicking on generate. And just like that, it's going to give us the color, and we can play around with this until we get a color that we like. So let's just go ahead and try this one. Click on generate. And now once you have a color that you like, you just want to go back inside of Go High Level, and you just want to come over here to where it says custom CSS. And now you just want to name your color. So I'm just going to click right here and do dot. I'm going to type in blue gradient. And I'm going to do space, and then what you want to do is add a barcode, and then you can click on space. And now we just want to come back over here, and we just want to copy this code right here. So let's go back to Go High Level, and now we just want to paste that code right here, and then we want to do space again, and then we're going to finish it with another barcode. And that's pretty much it. You just want to make sure to remember what you named this color. So we named it blue gradient. Now if we save this and we click on this column that we want to edit, we can go over here to advanced, and then you just want to paste in that name right here. So I'm going to do blue gradient and then click on enter, and just like that, this background immediately changed to that gradient color. And as you can see here, this looks a lot better than just a regular blue color. So if we delete this, as you can see here, this color looks extremely boring, and with this new gradient color, this just gives the website a lot more character.
Hack 3. Add dynamic backgrounds with GIFs. Why settle for static images when you can use dynamic moving backgrounds to bring your website to life? Create a GIF background. Use tools like Canva to design or customize GIFs. Search for suitable visuals, adjust them to fit your needs, and download the final design as a GIF file. Integrate the GIF into your website. Upload the GIF to your website's media library and replace the static background image with the GIF to create a dynamic visual effect. Dynamic backgrounds create an immersive user experience and give your website a cutting-edge feel.
So the third website hack that I want to show you, instead of just having a regular old image right here as the background, instead of doing that, to make this website look a little better, we can add a GIF image to make this a moving background. So the way we can do that is just by using Canva, and you can just search for backgrounds right here. So I'm just going to type in blue background and then click on enter. And then if we go over here to the videos, you're going to have a ton of backgrounds that you can choose from. So for this example, let's just do this one, and let's just make this look big. So let's stretch this all the way over here. And now you don't want to download this as a video. You're going to want to download this as a GIF file. So if we go over here to share, and then we go over here to download, you're going to want to make sure where it says file type, it says GIF, and then we can just go ahead and download this. And now let's just wait for this to download, and I'm going to show you how to add this inside of Go High Level. So now that we have that downloaded, we can just click right here on the background image, and then we can come over here to where it says BG Media, and we can click on this icon, click on new upload, and we can just go ahead and upload that image right here. So let's just go ahead and wait for this to load. So here we go. Let's just go ahead and click on this, and just like that, that image is going to be added to the background of this website. So now if we preview this website, this is what the website now looks like. As you can see here, we have that GIF image in the background, and this is really making the website come alive.
Congratulations! You now have 3 powerful hacks to elevate your web design. From animations to gradients to GIF backgrounds, these techniques will make your website stand out and leave a lasting impression. Don't wait. Start applying these tips today and watch your site transform. Subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next guide.